Welcome to the Glazer Children's Museum, where play takes center stage and imagination knows no bounds. I'm Pam Hillestead, Chief Play and Learning Officer, and today I want to share a story with you, a story of hope and transformation, a story that revolves around children, play, and the future of our community. Children need play now more than ever. Play is powerful. It's the foundation of a child's learning and development.
I want to know, can you learn today?
Yeah!
Can you use your imagination today?
Yeah!
And can you have fun today?
Yeah!
Here at the Glazer Children's Museum, we believe in the transformative power of play. We've made it our goal to ensure that every child in Hillsborough County has access to enriching play experiences regardless of their financial circumstances. Each year, we grant scholarships to Title I schools, providing free field trips to nearly 3,000 students. When these students walk through our doors, they're transported into an interactive and immersive space full of imagination and discovery. For many students, it's a spark that ignites their passion for learning.
Let's say that word together. I'll say it first, and then you say it. Ready? Paleontologist. We're gonna think like a paleontologist. Remember, paleontologist is someone that studies dinosaurs.
I think having Big John here inspires kids to maybe be a paleontologist so they can learn more about science and fossils. I was amazed. I didn't know a dinosaur could go that big.
Well, what I loved about playing in the museum was like when I was in public, you could they was making our sandwiches and stuff, and then I went to the party area and I was playing a lot.
I went to the ice cream shop. I like it because it's like how a normal ice cream shop would be. When you play as a worker for an ice cream shop, you visualize like if you're an actual worker, and it gives you like experience of like what jobs do.
I love having my kids come to the Children's Museum because they are able to experience hands-on learning, have nice opportunities where it's connecting to the real world outside of our classroom. Our students are not able to consistently pay for admission to get into places. So by the Children's Museum taking care of that cost, it allows an equitable opportunity for all of our students to be able to attend the field trip. They are able to participate in the dancing, or maybe they want to be a worker, they're at the Publix, or they want to go to the veterinarian. They have questions about science and what are dinosaurs, what are dinosaur bones, what do they look like. Our students are able to just let loose and build their social skills by having natural conversations with each other.
Now it's your turn to be a part of this incredible journey. The Glazer Children's Museum is a nonprofit organization, and our work relies on the generosity of people like you.
It feels amazing being here because I want to spend more childhood memories, having fun experiences. I would love that any person gave money here so children could come and play.
Tonight, I ask you to join us on our mission. Become a part of the solution. By raising your paddle, by giving your support, you're ensuring that we can continue providing these quality experiences for the children in our community. With your help, we can amplify our impact this year by awarding scholarships to 7,000 students in Title I schools, a remarkable increase from last year. Thank you for helping us keep the play going. for our children, for our community, and for our future. Together, we can ensure that every child in Tampa Bay has the opportunity to learn and grow through the power of play.
Thank you!